Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the fucking series of flipping this Honda Accord. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty rusty. It's been about a year since I recorded my last video, but we are back and I'm ready to complete this Honda Accord flip series with you guys, and I have a lot more videos on the way as well, so stay tuned for that. Now if you guys missed the last video, part 1, be sure to watch that video so you guys are up to date on exactly where we are at in terms of this Honda Accord flip. And without further ado, let's get back into it. Now in the last video, we did a headlight restoration to make this car look brand new, as well as spark plugs and a cabin air filter. But we're not going to just stop there. There's a bunch of other cosmetic things we need to do to make this car in sellable shape. So let's get right to it by fixing the missing badge on the rear trunk deck. Alright, so as you can see, the Accord badge actually fell off and there's still some residue there. And we got the badge right here. Luckily the owner was able to grab it. So I don't know how it fell off, but we got it here. So we're going to attempt to install this today. We're going to put it right back where it was, and we are going to use a Mastercraft eraser wheel, Mastercraft adhesive eraser wheel. It's like this. It's got a drill attachment, so we're going to put it on the DeWalt drill, and then we're going to use automotive goop to attempt to stick it back on. Should work out good. Let's get to it. First we're gonna test out on this first, see if it works on this, and then we'll get to it. Alright, let's replace the Accord badge. We got our glue here. For that glue. PPE. We got gloves, Q-tip to spread the glue, mask, because this shit is pretty fucking toxic. I got a microfiber, rubbing alcohol, and some masking tape to line everything up. Alright, let's get started. Go in with a little rubbing alcohol. Make sure we have a good mating surface. All right, now let's get the masking tape on. We're gonna pinstripe it. So instead of just taping underneath, because that might not be straight, I'm gonna go from one end to the other. And this fucking masking, this masking tape sucks cock. Oh my god, why are you fucking ripping, bro? Like, fuck. So that is actually so annoying. That's so annoying. Okay. That level, yeah, it is. Okay, and then we'll go all the way across. And I essentially just want to line it up. All right, looks good. All right, let's get to it. This stuff is pungent. All right, let's pierce it. I'm gonna try to get as much on here as possible. All right, perfect. We're back. Alright, there we go. So now if we spell it, I do not care. Okay. Go. Yo, what's up, man?
Not bad, you? No, you're good. Yeah, new whip, man. We have VTEC now. What's up, man? Yeah, so we sold it, I sold it when I sold it. I think it was what, August? No. January, like, 14th? Yeah, man. Yeah, I did. No, I sold it in June, sorry, June 14th. Yeah, I made $800 profit. Yeah, fixed up everything except for the AC and got it going. And then, bro, I'll show you some pictures later, but I bought what did I buy? I bought right after that, I found like a good deal. Like, literally the same day I sold the car, I bought another one. I bought a, 2005 Toyota Camry. Like that older body style. But fuck, man, I didn't like do my due diligence. And then, I left, I bought the car for 24. Oh, I sold the Civic for 3. Which honestly, I should have sold it for more, but it's alright. Yeah. And then I bought the Toyota for 24. But fuck, I brought it all the way home. Just had needed like an O2 sensor and a couple other little things. And then, bro, I looked underneath. There was a fucking massive hole, just rust. It was like in the from rust. It was in the just underneath like the passenger door panel, bro. It was so fucked. Cause like, bro, you can't repair that, and it had like some fender rust too. And basically, the way they parked the car, they basically parked it so you can't see that shit. And I was cheesed, man. I'm like, but you didn't tell me there was fucking rust. I mean, it was Facebook Marketplace. I honestly should have known better. But yeah, like there was fucking rust and whatever. And then there was even like, so there's frame rust too, which that was like terrible. So I'm like, and I know, and I showed my mechanic friends at BMW. They're like, yeah, bro, you like really cannot repair that. And so I was like, I'm like, you fucking bitch, like you fucking didn't tell me there's fucking rust. Anyways, so she sent me like this like random like guy's number, and she's like, oh, they'll buy it off you for like 22. And then they came to check out the car, and yeah, they're like, oh, this needs like some work. I'm like, yeah, I know, yada, and
Look at that. It's a little messy, but fuck, I hope that doesn't fall off. Nah, I shouldn't fall off. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of these scratch marks here. We're gonna be using some clay bars, and then obviously spray bottle to get some water on there to lubricate the area. Where's our fucking scan? Holy shit. Now I'm gonna try to remove these scratches with some of this stuff. This is silver wax scratch eliminator kit, so we'll see what happens. I know this is not really for like paint scuffs like that, more like scratches, but we're gonna see what happens. I have this, and then I have an applicator pad right here, as you can see. So we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna put some on the pad, and let's see what happens. That looks better than before, for sure. Let's try over here. You see we have a scratch right here, a bunch of scratches in the door handle right here, and some above here. Let's try to see what it looks like. Alright, the next thing we're going to tackle is this door handle. As you can see, the chrome part kind of came off here. We have the new one right here. I didn't really want to do this job because it requires you to take this off, and the whole door panel off, but we're going to do it anyways because we already have the part, and yeah, let's get to it. I'm going to start by removing this trim piece, and then we'll have some screws behind here, and then as well over here. So I skipped a lot of steps because it's raining, but I popped the whole windshield thing out, screws here, already popped the door handle out, just raining and trying to get things done. Got the old handle right there. Pop this out, we can pop the new one in right now. Alright, we got her in, looking nice. Had to put everything back together. Alright, so we got the new door handle in, but I fucking broke the cable to open it. So from the inside, this does not do shit. So, what do we have to do? I had to pay for my mistake. We got a new cable. And basically what happens, I'll show you later, but inside the door frame, but essentially just this, plastic gets brittle over time, and there's a metal clip around this, and metal and plastic, metal lasts longer than plastic, so fucking broke, and I was really fucking pissed, and it's been like this for a week. Don't ask me how I open the door, I just do. So we're gonna hopefully replace this right now. Alright guys, that's all I have time for today. Make sure you watch the next video where I fix this crusty ass hood and also fix that door cable so I can actually get into my car. Thank you again for your support and watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep pumping out more videos like this. I'll catch you guys in the next one.